Hello, my name is Emily Stewart, and I did my IM project over the Holocaust. As you can see, this is the home page. I have how the website works, and then also for one of my videos, I created a video basically how to navigate the website and also kind of how it works. And then I also have an Ask the Teacher down here. In the presentations, I have a Google Slides presentation. I also have a Piktochart, and then I have a crash course YouTube video over the topic. And then for helpful activities, I have a Jeopardy game, a crossword puzzle, and a Quizlet. And then also in assessments, I have the Google Forms quiz. And then I also have a calendar and sources. So my favorite part of my IM was definitely the Piktochart. And I just like it because I think it's organized. It has really good information. It was easy to do, and I also think that it will be helpful for any students.